Hello world, Kodik here from Synths, and today I will show you our newest addition to our desktop unit line, the FusionBox. It's inspired by our classic Eurorack module, the Fusion D-Line Chorus. FusionBox is a fully analog effects processor based on two bucket brigade delay chips and tube overdrive in the feedback and input circuits. By combining two bucket brigade chips, tube overdrive, tube feedback and the modulation source, a very wide range of effects can be achieved. Everything ranging from tight flangers to weird long delays and distorted drones. As a sound source for the overview, I will be using the classic digital drum machine, the Roland TR-505. And now, let's see it in action. With the input level knob, you can set the incoming signal level, and with settings above 5, you will already start to apply the tube overdrive to the incoming signal. Take note that the tube feedback behaves differently with different input gain settings. With the bypass switch, you can obviously turn the effect on or off. And this can also be done via the full switch input. With long short switch, you can switch between two analog BBD delay chips. Short mode is more suited for flanger and chorus type effects, and long mode is more suited for delay type effects with delay time up to 800 milliseconds. With delay time knob, you can manually adjust the delay time. Take note that the response of this knob changes when you switch between long and short settings. With the feedback knob, you can adjust the tube feedback amount which is being fed back into the delay signal path. Dry wet knob, you can adjust the balance between incoming signal and delay effect. With the overdrive knob, you can adjust the overdrive amount for the feedback signal. Take note that if you want to overdrive the incoming signal, you need to crank up the input gain setting, as this knob only adjusts the overdrive amount for the feedback. With color knob, you can adjust the low pass filter in the feedback circuit. With the mod level knob, you can adjust the amount of modulation which is being applied to the delay time setting. Therefore, you can set the modulation rate with the big frequency knob. quick note that with only slight changes of settings, you can drastically change the way FusionBox sounds, as it's fully analog circuit and sometimes it can get really wild.